Let's do a little comparison here. The one on the left is a ground down and reconstituted hematite stone that is magnetic. They're the ones you often find in novelty stores. And the one on the right is a more natural hematite stone that has been polished. And one of the differences I noticed is that the one that you find in the novelty stores tends to be a darker color and more smooth on the surface, whereas the more natural ones will have a more pitted surface and be more metallic and less black looking. Naturally, they're not magnetic unless they've been exposed to certain conditions such as heat. So things like that can make them naturally magnetic, but it could also be not magnetic naturally as well. And I find that to be a little more common, but they will stick to magnets whether they're magnetized or not themselves. And that makes them really fun. So here I am showing you that these two pieces of hematite are not magnetic in themselves. Here I'm sharing two pieces of a rock that look almost identical, but one of them is magnetic and one of them is not. So hematite is a wonderful mineral. It is an iron oxide, and it is one of the most important iron ores in the world. And it is very abundant on Earth, and it has many different kinds of habits. You can find crystals, you can find coarsely grained clusters. There's the old specular hematite. You can even get it in iridescent. And it is always an opaque mineral as far as I know. The name hematite is derived from the Greek meaning blood red because of the red color of its powder. So when you scratch or rub on a streak plate or ground down the hematite, it will have a very bright reddish orangish color. At one point, hematite was known as a bloodstone, but these days there's a different kind of bloodstone. Bloodstone is actually a form of quartz. It is a harder mineral than hematite, but it is also a more lightweight mineral of hematite. I think bloodstone is absolutely beautiful, and I just love the little red jasper spots. And from what I understand, red jasper gets its color from hematite. So they are definitely related in that way. I want to say hematite has a specific gravity of 5-ish, whereas bloodstone has it around 2.5 or so. So the hematite is about twice as heavy as the bloodstone. And bloodstone and hematite are often used in the metaphysical world in a lot of the same way. And they're both known as grounding stones, very earthy stones, and known to help with anything blood related in your body as far as having curative properties.
So, other than rocks, what else are you into?
Minerals, plate tectonics. Oh, and stand-up comedy, of course.
I hope you found this video fun and interesting to watch. Thank you so much for joining me for the Bloodstones video. Until next time, bye.